you for the gifts, everyone. Merry Christmas, Luffy. Bye. Wow! Yay! It's a teddy bear.
Happy?
Yeah.
Say thank you, Uncle.
Thank you, Uncle.
What's that?
Yay!
It's a game that we can play. You say thank you to Liam and Jacob.
Thank you, Liam. Thank you, Jacob.
And Tita Majoy and Ninong Pat.
And thank Tita Majoy and Ninong Pat. And the last one is...
Ate say thank you, Leah.
Thank you, Leah. Oh my God! Yay!
What is it? Wow! You say, what do you say to Toto Miko?
Thank you, Toto Miko.
Be careful.
Wait, let me unwrap it. Huh?
Baliktad. The other side.
The other side.
Yay!
What's that?
It's a water bottle.
Wow! Yay! You have a new one.
Can I open that?
Okay.
Wait, there's the cover.
Dun. Ay, dun.
Like that. Thank you so much, Daddy and Mommy. You're welcome. Egg robot.
What? What kind of robot?
Wow.
There's no battery yet.
What's that?
Septic.
What's that?
No, what's this one?
A skateboard.
What? You said you want a skateboard.
Is that part of your wish list?
Ooh. Yes. Ooh. Yay. Yeah. That's push.
Yay!
It's my cookies. Oh my God, it's so cute. Daddy, I'm so happy.
What's that? What's that?
Oh, sorry.
Pens.
Oh my!
What's that?
I also have pins. Ooh.
What do you say?
Thank you, Ate Marianne.
That's not Ate Marian's.
That's from
From Lola G.
Mama G.
Thank you,
Mama
Mama
G.
G. Hi guys, welcome to my vlog.
Tingin.
Hindi ko alam po paano ba.
Ooh, yeah.
Si, kalimutan ko yung isang dalawa. What's that? What's that? To show. Now you show what's inside.
What?
You
What's
show it in the
that?
camera.
Is that for painting? Wow. Look. May first.
Ikaw yung exchange gift eh. Wow!
Wow.
It's a sack.
It's a skirt and A blouse.
I thought it was a dress.
You check what's inside. There's more.
There's more?
What's that? A hair clip.
Yeah.
Is there another one?
What? There's a
Wow!
lot.
Yay!
Amazing.
Wow.
Wow! And the other one? It's the other side. Wow! Malaki pa yun, naka 7 to 8 yan.
There's a lot of
Wow.
unicorns.
Need my help?
This is a shiver.
Wow! What's that? That's chocolates!
Wow!
Yay!
Thank you, Ate Apio.
Yung mga natirang regalo, iba. Ayan, bigay sa akin ni Marie.
Dito?
Magnet. Sa akong. What's that? Wow! It's another unicorn dress. What's
Oh
that?
my! Oh my God! It's so beautiful.
That's from?
Ninang Marie.
Oh no. What do you say?
Wow!
Thank you, Ninang Marie. Thank you for the gifts, everyone. I love you.
Careful with your hair.